Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Valentino unboxing. So if you would have seen my last kind of like vlog, I basically went to Selfridges. At the time they were having a shoe sale. I think it was like 20 to 40% off shoes. I'll leave the vlog somewhere here above. It was a great little vlog that I did. I ended up picking up a bag, and the bag that I picked up was Valentino. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome guys. My name is Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and I talk about all things bougie in beauty and all things bougie in fashion. So like, what are you waiting for? I know you want to see what I bought, and I know you want to see this unboxing. So like, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm not really a bag lover, I'm more of a shoe lover. I feel like the majority of my unboxings on this channel have been shoes, and the first bag I purchased was the Givenchy Antigona bag, and I absolutely loved it. It was big, it fit everything in it, and I literally used it for ages. It literally went with every outfit, whether it be chic, whether it be streetwear, and I just never bought another bag. And then one day I was like, wait, I only have one bag. Like, I used to buy like little bags, nothing really too expensive. That bag at the time was like 1,400 and something. I think it's actually gone up. But yeah, I never really was into bags, and then I bought my first Valentino bag, I think in the summer. It was like a lovely neon color. Absolutely love it. That's literally my favorite bag, although it's neon, so it doesn't really go with anything, but I somehow made it go with things, you know. I wore it several times. But anyway, I saw this and I was like, oh, I love this bag. I think this bag is amazing. So I had to get it, I think, a couple of days before lockdown, but I didn't have the chance to film it, and we're in lockdown, and then I got COVID, but I'll tell you all about that another time. So yeah, this is the bag. I actually got to wear it the last time we were allowed to go out, so I have worn it once, and I just basically wrapped it up just for the aesthetics of this video. But yeah. Dun, 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 dun. This is her. Hello, this is her. She's so beautiful. I love it because you can basically take off this chain and she can have her own little mini moment. Imagine with the outfit I'm wearing now. Isn't it just the cutest thing ever? The thing is, I think like for bucket bags, I'm always like, what about the thieves? What about the raggedy ass people that are trying to get into your bag? But no, actually it does have this drawstring little feature, so all your stuff is pretty much secure. The leather is like quite robust, and it's just got that studded detail that Valentino are renowned for. I really like Valentino bags. I was saying to my friend Erden that like, oh my god, there was another like gold Valentino bag that I wanted to get. I'll insert a picture now, and he was just like, all your bags are Valentino, stop it. Can you buy something else? So I think I saw some new colors of DahjéMusic bags, so I think I'm gonna get one of them. And then I think after that I'm gonna go and buy into a bigger bag. I'm not sure which one I want to get though. But this is just like a nice little classic black number, and it goes with everything. This bag retails for like £1,230, I believe. I do think it went into the sale, or there was a blue one that went into sale, but I will check, and I'll leave down below links of where you can purchase this bag from. But I love it. I think it's amazing, and I just hope when we come out of lockdown I'll wear it because I think it's just so cute. I absolutely love it. It's just perfect. So I'm just gonna attach this, which is like quite easy. I mean, I say it's quite easy and then it, you know, struggling. 1 second guys, and then you can just attach this, and obviously you can wear it crossbody. I should stand and actually show you kind of what it looks like on, shouldn't I? But yeah guys, that's my new bag purchase. What did you think? Have you got a Valentino bag yourself? What do you think about my purchase? Do you like it? Give it a like. Let me know in the comments below. But I guess that's all guys. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below where you can purchase these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what guys? Bougie.